Okay, Leon Parkin, here comes your answer. Here's the answer to the medium question from, I guess, January 9. First, do this. What's that called? Complete the square. Okay? And then afterwards, you're going to do a friendly trig substitution, like so. And once you do that, you change colors, and then your integral turns green. Okay, and the question marks for the bounds, so we'll deal with that later. But notice you see the factored form on the bottom, and when you do your substitution correctly, you're going to also get a cosine theta and a 1/2. And after simplification, it looks so. You wonder where the 4 comes from. That's really 1 over 1/4 makes 4. And the cosine simplified to secant, so you just have a friendly integral called 2 times secant, bounds to come later. Well, if you paid attention in class, the integral of secant is ln of secant plus tangent, which is an interesting proof by itself. And then you wonder, oh, so what is secant of theta now? That requires a little triangle to figure out the bounds. Well, one bound is actually easy. Remember the substitution here? If x is 1/2, the left side is 0, so you're going to have 0 as sine of theta, so that means your lower bound is theta equals 0. But the upper bound is trouble. So the upper bound is 2/3. So 2/3 is, plug that in here for your x. Did that here in purple. And you're going to end up with 1/3 is equal to sine of theta. That is the formula for a friendly triangle with theta there, and then you do opposite over hypotenuse, draw your triangle, and based on that, you can then easily find tangent as the opposite over adjacent, rationalize a little bit to get √2/4, and the secant in a similar fashion gives you 3√2/4. Plug that into your antiderivative right here for secant and tangent. Also actually plug it into your, I plugged in the lower bound 0, but that actually turns into 0 because ln of 1 is just 0. So you just have to simplify this guy here. 3 and 1 makes 4, the 4 is cancelled. And then if you bring the 2 in front, the ln, make it an exponent, your final answer is ln of 2. Or as some of my students remember, 0.693. So that was it. Thanks for watching.